Alright, I want to do a quick walkthrough on how to use your custom audiences once you've created them and use them in your actual ads. So once you hit create ads, you'll select the category, your objective. Once you select your objective, continue. And then this is where you'll be able to use your custom audience under this audience section, which is where you select all your targeting and interests and everything. At the very top, you have create new audience, use saved audience. If you hit click on there, it'll actually bring up your custom audiences and your lookalike audiences for you to select from. So you can choose your custom audience there. From there, you can then select the area that you want those people to be from within your custom audience, the age, the gender, the language, and then any interest or demographics that you're looking to target within that custom audience. So once you select your custom audience, everything else is going to narrow down what's within that custom audience to get it to exactly what it is that you're looking to target through your audience targeting. Alright, and then you'll continue on and complete your ad from there. But to select your custom audience, right here, custom audience, select the audience that you want to target, and continue on. Hope that helps.